Hi friends. KTP, Sound Healing Practitioner. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you will find a safe place to land, a safe place to listen, and a safe place to be still. Sending out in love all the vibrations that are coming through me. I hope that you enjoy and feel a sense of peace, feel the sense of God, and feel the sense of self while your energy flows through you in different ways that you've never realized that it could. May you have a space to be open in, to align in, and to shine in. I pray and I hope that this leads you to a space that is comfort, love, and joy. Thank you.